Hey guys, this is Gurpal here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm in the terrace right now. It's early morning. Just came from the office doing night shift, and I thought this is the right time to make this video when the rest of the world is still sleeping. Thank God to them, and therefore there are not so much environmental noises right now except some birds. Just few days ago I posted a video on tools, but it was on Hindi language because I feel comfortable on speaking in Hindi. Also, the demands from the people is also Hindi, but since FZ25 also runs in other foreign countries like Colombia, Brazil, therefore I have some viewers from those countries who request to make the videos on English language. Wanted to say hi to those international peoples, and here is a video for you guys. So starting with the first one, which is a THandle, one of my favorite. You will see most of the THandles in the market. You will find that these sockets are fixed. You won't be able to remove it like so. But the one I have, I will able to remove it. So all you need to do is just buy these sockets. I have 8, 10 and 12, but you only need 8 and 10. You can buy any branded socket and one of these THandle, and you can just plug in and do your job. This is highly recommended because there are some places on the bike which are on very complicated areas, and only this type of tool will work. The second tool I have is these type of sockets. It is a half-inch socket, and I have these L-shaped T-handle. There are many different types. The one is T, which slides in between, and you can also find the ratchet one. But I have only one of these, and these are the type of sockets which fit into this. You can use this tool to open the wheels. This is the 22 mm socket. I have multiple sockets ranging from 8 to up to 32 mm, but you only need 10, 12, 14, 17 and 22 mm and 30 mm if you want to open the front sprocket. I hold the wheel nut using this spanner, and on the other side the 17 mm ring spanner, and I open the wheel. Thank you. There is also an extender. Now if you want to just extend this, you can extend it, but this is not very useful. The third type of tool I want to show you is this. This is an open end and a ring. If you're only going to just buy a open end spanner on both of the sides, you will find 8 and 9, 10 and 11, 12 and 13 like so numbers. But the problem here is 9, 11, 13, these numbers are not generally so useful. So I have bought this type of tool. This is same on both sides. This is 12 and this is 12 as well. I don't like this part because this generally tends to damage the bolts. It does not have that a perfect grip, and therefore when you try to put a pressure on a bolt which is very tight, it generally tends to damage its edges. So this part is very good, and you can apply too much pressure on that without damaging the bolt. You can open it. I have the set of 2 for one of these spanners for 10, 11 and 12 mm. You don't need the 2 of them, you can only buy the one of it, but sometimes we do require 2 of them when you are trying to adjust the clutch cable or the chain adjuster. The fourth type of tool I want to discuss is this ring spanner. This is also the one of my favorite. You cannot perform the DIY without this spanner. There are some places where this type of spanner will not fit. I have ranging from 8 to up to 18 mm. Again, you need the 10 mm, 12 mm, 14, 17, 18 if you want to open the spark plug. The difference between these two ring spanner is that it's the angle. If you see that, I think it's a 45-degree angle, but this is only a 15-degree. So there are some places on the bikes where this will not be benefited, but this will fit a much better. I have 24 mm ring to open end spanner. I bought this to open the tappet cover. I don't use this because if you use it is going to definitely damage the cover. I use this. If you're going to buy this, make sure you buy this 10 degree because the space is very less. If you're going to buy this type, it will be a little bit difficult to open the cap. The fourth type of tool I want to talk about is this Allen key. I have 4, 5, 6 and 8. 4 mm you need for open the front mudguard headlight assembly. 5 you need if you want to open the oil filter cover, bar ends or rear brake pads. 6 mm Allen key you need if you want to open the brake junk, and the 8 mm if you want to work on the forks. So Allen keys 4, 5, 6 and 8 mm. Now the last tool, only this one. This is a flathead kind of screwdriver. It's a big and thick. I have bought only this one to open the crankcase cover. The size of this is 8 mm. The benefit of this is that you can use this 8 mm socket and fit this, and you can use the same T and you can easily open the crankcase cover if you want to. So these are the tools which I use in the bike, and if you have any comments and suggestions, please do comment on the comment section. I will post another video, the tools which I carry on my bike pillion seat, which goes with me every time I go anywhere. You should have those tools if you do long drives. Soon that video will be posted. Make sure to check it. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye. These sounds are so irritating, man. It breaks my flow. It literally breaks my flow. Chain adjuster. Again there is a plane. There are so many challenges when you try to make a video that no one sees.